I'd like to walk you through the SunDevilConnect application that I built for Phase 3, and specifically how a user can interact with the application. So to do this, we just need to enter the application as a user. To do so, we'll run the script that is included in the README file. And as you can see, there's a few different types of users that you can interact with: a student, a club leader, and an administrator. So let's try student. We'll enter the application as John Smith. As you can see, there's a few different things we can do as students. We can browse events, take a look at which events there are. There's a Spring Hackathon, Python workshop, a robot showcase, and it's also showing how many slots are available for those events, as well as, if the event is available to register for. You can also search events by category or keyword. You can filter your view to only view available events. You can also register for an event. So let's try that. Let's say we want to register for like the Spring Hackathon. So we'll select that option. After we do that, we receive a notification here in the system that we successfully registered for the Spring Hackathon. And the system is also going to send us a confirmation via email, SMS, and in-app notification. So you can also interact with clubs. We can browse all clubs, and you can see if the club is active or not. So let's say we want to join the coding club. We'll select that option to join a club, and then we'll select the coding club. And this system is telling us that our request to join the club was sent, and then we will be notified when approved. So we'll just check our clubs, and as of right now, it's showing the coding club as pending. So let's log out and enter the system as a club leader. So we'll enter as Maria Garcia, club leader. Club leaders can browse events, they can create events. As you can see, the events are the same. We can also create an event if you are a member of that specific club. You can view event registrations. So we can see that John Smith registered for the Spring Hackathon. We can cancel events. If the need arises to cancel events, we'll just exit out of that. We can post club announcements if, again, you are a leader of a club. And then we can view membership requests. So you can see that John Smith's membership is pending for the coding club. And then you can approve a membership. So let's say we want to approve John Smith's membership. We'll just grab the membership ID and we'll enter it in, and the system will let us know that the membership has been approved, as well as notifications being sent to John Smith, again, to his email, SMS, and in-app. So let's log out, and then just to show you that it works, let's take a look again at John Smith's clubs. And previously, when we looked at this, the Kona Club was pending, but now it's showing as active. So that worked. All right, now let's take a look at an administrator. So an administrator can view all users. So we see we have a couple students here. We have a club leader, and it's showing their status. It looks like they're all active. We can view all clubs. It's going to show us those clubs. The ASU Coding Club and the Robotics Engineering Society. We can view events. Spring Hackathon, Python workshop, robot showcase, and then we can approve pending clubs if a user had created a club, which is an option. Just right here as an admin, you can approve those pending clubs. And then lastly, it's just going to show you some statistics for how many users there are, how many clubs there are, how many events and registrations. And that concludes my demo for the SunDevilConnect application. Thank you so much.